Reminisce on dangerous summers. Was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy head shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz. Today I'm just doing a quick video for you guys on how to clean up that nasty stuff in your wheels that does not go away no matter how much you scrub it with a wash mitt or a brush. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this stuff. This is the wheel that I just did, and there's still some in the corners that I got to do, but it's obviously much better. So without further ado, let's start. Now the first thing you want to do is get some Dawn dish soap. Dawn is my preference because it's used for oil spills and all that kind of stuff. You know, you see it on the commercials when they're cleaning off the ducts. Then you want to get a spray bottle, and here is the magic piece, a Brillo sponge. So get yourself a Brillo sponge. You're going to be using the green side. So then give your wheel a good spray. This spray bottle's broken, of course. And then take your sponge. You know what? Give the sponge a spray too. Get it all over my legs. Why not? And then, now you see this. This is tough. That's not going to come off with my finger. That's it. It's gone. Look at that. Look at that. I'll move on to the next one. And basically do this for any part of your wheels that you see caked with dirt or brake dust and whatnot that you cannot get rid of. Now, if you have black wheels, airplane. If you have black wheels, you want to be a bit more careful doing this because black will show scratches a lot more. So you might want to use a really high grit wet sandpaper instead. But if it's any kind of gray or light color, white, anything like that, this will work great. So I'm going to finish up doing this wheel here, rinse it off, and I will show you guys the final result, just so you can see all of the spots. Okay, so Dawn dish soap, water, sponge. This is the outcome so far after I polished it with this wax stuff. So I still got a bit to do in the corners, but these look excuse me, mint. I just want to compare the sound from the beginning of the video to now. You can barely hear it. Before, okay, so Dawn dish soap, water, sponge. This is the outcome so far after I polished it with this wax stuff. So I still got a bit to do in the corners, but these look excuse me, mint compared to what you've seen before. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I got a surprise for y'all in the next few days here. I got some big meats in the back that I got to mount on. I'll show you guys what style and brand soon. Stay tuned. Peace.